Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on only mentions notifications on notification settings on your server, easy and quick. First click here and now click notifications, and here as you see you will find only mentions. Click on it and that's it, it will be turned on. That's how to turn on only mentions notification settings on your account on Discord, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. It's helpful for you. And thanks for watching. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.